Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to cover Vmaker AI, another video editing tool which I found on a great deal on AppSumo.com. So currently you can have this on 95% discount for $59 for license tier 1. Okay, you can buy the license all the way to tier 5, but about the pricing I'll cover it in a minute. Okay, I just want to go quickly through what this Vmaker AI is. So use this AI-powered online video editor to turn your raw footage into edited videos and clips. So in a nutshell, if you have a video and you want to do some editing, so you can use the app for. If you have a video and you want to do some clips out of that video, you have a long form content and you want to clear it as short videos. So, basically you want to share the most important moments on your social media to attract the viewers. You can also do that with this AI tool. Okay, I'll show you quickly how it's all can be done here. So first and foremost, okay, let's go quickly through the sales page on AppSumo itself. Okay, so it's in a nutshell, it's telling us what can be achieved with using this tool. After uploading and recording, Vmaker AI will turn your raw footage into a professional video with all the bells and whistles, generate animated intros and outros, add b-roll, transition effects and subtitles, plug in background music, okay, auto-generate subtitles and captions, edit your videos like a pro. Okay, so trim, cut, split, resize, rotate and flip footage, adjust volume, manage mono, stereo outputs and add fade in and out, tweak the brightness, contrast, saturations, exposures. So everything what you can expect from the video editor those days, it's basically it's been available here inside the Vmaker. Okay, what else can we do here? So share highlights with your followers, create highlights and teaser clips, try loads of present styles, choose between vertical, square and landscape formats. Okay, here are the plans and features. Okay, so now let's go quickly through the pricing itself on AppSumo. So for tier 1 you have a $59 and you have a 3 users. Okay, users can go all the way to 25 users when it comes to tier 3. Oh, hold on a second, let me see. There, 150 users even on the tier 5. If you have a massive amount of people working with you on your projects, you can definitely use that tool, and everyone has their own access. It's really up to the tier you will be choosing from. Okay, so but let's stay with tier 1 first. Okay, so up to 3 users, 5 total video exports per month, at 1080 pixel video editor. Okay, 30 minutes maximum video export length, 5 total premium images credits per month, 5 total premium video credits per month, 10 total premium music credits per month, 60 minutes per month auto subtitles. Okay, with tier 2 you got it 90 minutes per month when it goes to auto subtitles, and 120 minutes per month auto subtitles for the tier 3. And the tier 2 and 3 users go from 10 to 25, 15 total videos exports per month on the tier 2, and 30 for tier 1 for tier 3. Okay, 1080 pixels stays the same on tier 2 and goes all the way to 2K on tier 3, and 30 minutes maximum video export length stays the same on tier 2 and 1, and it goes all the way to 45 minutes on tier 3. Okay, so yeah, so guys, remember on this on AppSumo you will get a lifetime deal. Basically means that you pay it out once off, and those type of all the features will be roll out on a monthly basis. Okay, so you get month after month after month, or you'll be added with the same credits. While comparison, if you pay monthly, unless you carry on with paying, those will not renew. Okay, here you get this renewed because that's a part of the deal being made on AppSumo. Okay, so now quickly let's go jump into the software itself. I'll check always how many people I visited on a monthly basis, just about 120,000 people a month. Okay, and it's a little bit goes down from May all the way to from 136 to 119, but that's not really a big problem. It's still 120,000 10,000 people on average you visiting this website on a monthly basis, which is a huge number, isn't it? So it means that this software is alive, people are using it, and there is a massive amount of people are visiting on a monthly basis, and some of them they actually are being using it. Okay, they are claiming that there is a 25 million plus users. Okay, I don't know what they mean by that. Is it 25 million clips already been used, or 25 million people were actually created their accounts? I'm not really sure what that means. So yeah, the website itself looks nice and clean. Some of the examples what you can do here, it's very informative, and it's one of those websites those days which are very nice, tailored, and nice to be scrolling through. Okay, so here's the sales page. A few people who actually using left their testimonials. Okay, so now let's go quickly and see what can be done with this software. So press the try for free. Okay, use your email address to log in. Couple of clicks, and you'll be inside the software, inside the studio. Few things which you can do. Okay, they already are suggesting. Okay, edit your videos like pro, edit and enhance with AI, create video highlights, long to short videos, apply via editing styles. All right, so this is what you can achieve using this software. Okay, so three things at the beginning: edit and enhance with AI, create video highlights, long to short form. All right, so I choose auto edit videos. Once you click on it, you will need to drop your video you want to work on. Okay, if you have a ready video, if you don't have a ready video, you can record a video. Okay, you can click here and you'll be recording your screen, your camera, and you can create the video, and that video will be automatically inside the studio. Okay, but if you have a ready video, you want to do some work on it, just click on it, one of those options here, and you need to load that video first. So I already done it. Okay, it took about a minute or two before it was fully uploaded. So now I want to, which vertical do you want to use? My video was created in landscape. I want to choose the vertical. Let's leave it as a landscape. Okay, and we go and choose effects you want Vmaker AI to add. Do we want the viral? Okay, so everything has been added anyway by default. If you don't need some of those, let's say you don't need a background music, you just turn it off. Okay, but let's leave it as it is for now and create video. All right, so now it is creating for us. It might take a minute or two, so I will come back to you guys once this has all been ready and ready for me to just show you. Oh, hold on a second. It's moving pretty fast, so I won't be stopping here. What I will be doing, I will just come back here, and let's say that we want to do some sort of, let's go explore a studio. Okay, so we have here we have our projects. If we have any projects, those will be shown up here. Then you can recordings. If you have any recordings, those recordings will appear here. So basically, if you plan to use this software as a recording software, you can also do it. Okay, you can do the exports. If you already exported something, those will be listed here. You have a brand kit where you can create your logos, you can add your colors, branded URLs, and favicons and everything else like that. Click to action button, so everything can be done here. You can customize that. Branding, you can add privacy, security settings, edit profiles, and everything else. All right, so this is how it all works in a nutshell. Virtual demo is also visible here. If you want, just click on it and watch it through. But for the moment, let's go back and see our video. I think, yeah, it's ready now. So how many minutes? Yeah, about 2 minutes. That's all what it took for this video to be generated for us. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we were now being presented with video editing software. Okay, what we can start play and see what's happened. Okay, it's loading. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I just want to show you guys how to use Leonardo AI image to image function. So to do so, we just have to go, once we logged into the Leonardo AI app, okay, So as you can see, guys, they took I put one of my videos. This video was just about the Leonardo AI, and they add this captions on it. Okay, they put the background music into it. Okay, and they also, I can see that they put some sort of videos, additional b-rolls here. Here, let's say here. Okay, so b-roll was added. After that, we just go to this section where
There we
we
go.
choose
It's
between
been
generation
added.
history. And similar here and here and here, and let's go all the way to the end. Here is another b-roll. So yeah, music and voiceover is being generated here. So everything you can do, you can customize each and every time. Okay, if you feel like this is something which needs to be improved, okay, you can definitely do that with this with those options here on the left hand side. So you can do, let's say you need to add some sort of, welcome, like hello, anything like that. You can do that, do it here, and this will be actually uh, uh, added, when inside your video you will get this message here, and the way, like, the effects you want to actually create it. So you can put it up, you can put it there, you can make it bigger, smaller, and everything will what comes with it. Okay, here you go. There you can change the colors. It's pretty much, those options are very similar, like for example in the Canva, so they actually combine something with the Canva here. And then you can add some images here if you want to do so. Okay, so you can do some additional stock footage. It's available here for use. If you can do the videos, okay, stock videos also available. And if you don't like the videos the AI choose for you, you definitely can go and do this, add your own videos, like, or you choose another video from the stock videos available here. Okay, if you don't like this one, you just have to go and delete it, and that's all been deleted for you. Okay, everything here is on the time, uh, there you go. You can see everything what's happening here. Let's say that we don't want to have this video, we can just go simply and delete it. Okay, same here. If we want to delete this video, we can just simply go and delete it here. Okay, music, we can do some of those music, we can add those music. There was some already been added on in the background. So but if we don't like it, we can definitely go and change it. We can do some uploads. Okay, so one of the uploads was already there was my video, but if you want to combine two videos, you can upload another video on top of that and merge them together. And you can do this, some transitions, they're also available here, and also there are some options for subtitles. So everything was been all the subtitles has been generated by AI. Okay, but you can auto generate once again if you want. You can do that here by clicking auto generate. Okay, so guys, this is very similar to the other similar softwares, like CapCut, for example, or any other software, like which will those days will help you out with getting those videos being done quicker. Okay, so you don't have to spend so much time now for creation process. Okay, you can just simply, with the help of AI, you can speed up the process, and the final effect will be still amazing. Okay, it's great if you know how to edit in CapCut or Filmora. It's absolutely fantastic. But also, if you want to save some time, then you might consider this software. Okay, so once again, guys, I will be leaving the link below for the AppSumo Deal. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave it below. Also, if you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.